The art of understanding life is recognized by the limits of comprehension. Perception can foresee uncertainty and is master of unexpected emotion. When a sensation transforms truth into evidence, reality tends to doubt what appears, and it is unrepeatable. So, what do? I seek an open space, without boundaries, the most accessible space, the sky. I listen to the sound of the night, the infinite mystery illuminated by lights that shine timelessly. Because the pupil is the dark reflection of a void, freed by the light of a mystery. How wonderful the evidence! The evidence is evident and is accessible proof for those who place limits on perception. I am a painter. I observe reality as it appears to me. I create on a surface the becoming of a mental image, another mystery. Where the last image of a painting seals the experience of time and space, of thousands of brushstrokes, mixed color, nuances, and details. The reverse process happens by itself, spontaneously, opening the eyes, looking at reality. But what does this have to do with orbs? It does. It's in the artist's eye that any uncertain movement coexists in every place and time. Uncertain movement coexists in every place and time. Undisturbed reality is poetry for those who notice it. The appearance of images are cognitive messages from those who look at the broader part of space and realize they are pervaded by movement of bright lights. The evidence is an intimate experience that appears only when you see it too, and it is irrefutable. I see them. I see them. The peril of the game is a visible journey, narrated by nocturnal reflections, where what appears is the extraordinary phenomenon to the eyes of those who look up into the sky and see them. Orbs are bright lights that move in the sky. Some call them spheres of fire, plasma, angels, paranormal entities, energy portal, drones, UFOs. It's a sensational phenomenon which influences the perception of reality, and we no longer see as before. The eye begins to follow unexpected perspective, previously unknown, and it's seductive. The desire to share a fascinating experience arouses immediate enthusiasm in me. There's a pattern in everything that happens, and the curiosity to understand this phenomenon becomes a nightly rendezvous. It's a sensory journey into the unknown darkness of the sky, and as I observe it, my mind imagines. The sightings stimulate my intuition. The images are contagious. So I continue to persevere in the serenity of the night. And I realize that by connecting the dots, a pattern forms that traces trajectories between space and time. The idea that thought creates connects everything that seems real. And it's a mystery impossible to ignore. The sky, the moon, the night, the sounds of nature all around, they are timeless things. The possibility of see them echoes in the night, and the hooting of an owl coincide with the moment just before I see them. Like a spell, their sound is imprinted in my memory. Who knows, could it be a suggestion? But sensation coincide with appearances, and I realize they always happen like this. Suddenly, an orb appears. The more unpredictable it is, the more fascinated I am. A kind of unresolved desire accompanies the experience, as if the sky wanted to play with my curiosity. But why? I perceive a signal. There, look, a flash crosses the sky. 1, 2, 3. How many are there? When the limit of logic touches the unknown, time vanishes and space reveals the depth of an enigma. It means that something is behind the power of man, and there is something that belongs to madness. Perhaps because the solutions belongs to reason and to its problems. Mystery is a relationship that innovates the art of understanding the things of life. I observe reality as it appears, spontaneously opening my eyes. It is a gift to ourselves, and it repeats itself every night.